How about a salad? With bugs. Malica Patrol is back in search of the best Malica in Ljubljana, and today we're at Gostilno Guliver. First impressions were actually positive. I thought we had walked into an old school restaurant with some history and charm. The interior design wasn't bad at all, but then I decided to sit on the terrace. And that's where the disappointment hit hard. Just look at this furniture. Dirty, worn out, and there was dust and cobwebs hanging off the TVs. Honestly, the terrace was gross. Atmosphere score, 4 out of 10. Malica and Kosilo prices range from 8 to 16 euro. I went for a classic pizza for 9 euro. They don't offer soup or salad with the meal, but I walked past the self-service area and just look at that salad bar. Seriously? The pizza was bland and forgettable. I didn't enjoy it at all. I really don't understand why this place is always full of woke couriers. Maybe it's just the student coupons? Food score 3. So far, this is the worst Malica we've reviewed. Final score for Gostilno Guliver, 3.5 out of 10.